from Milestone2. This Milestone2 it has these basic features: the game objects with the graphic objects, the transformations, and the set cameras, and control move the camera, multiple cameras, and texture lighting, and the libraries. I have the file manager, math, pixel tree, and time libraries. I didn't use my my code for the math and file or something because I don't have confidence with my code, so I use professor provide code for those libraries. And for my demos, I'll run it first. Like this, several objects are moving on the screen, and can move the cameras, and I close it. It will not leak memory. So, well, first I have 4 different objects, which are cube, pyramid, cross, and diamonds. So I have these 4 different kind of mesh models and instancing. At least 4. Each models I have 5 different kind of instancing, and moving the camera, I set different camera when I press the keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll set the different position of the camera, and the WSAD is move forward and back, and left and right move the camera, and I set function it in the camera class. So I press WS will move back and forward, left and right. A and D will move left and right, and also keyboard right, left, down, up to rotate the with the X angle, X rays. So when I press the left, right, it will rotation. And set the camera. That's moving the camera, and draw the object with the mesh models. So my mesh model has this different vertex position, vertex color, and the indices, and the x coordinate and norms for both all of them, cross and the cube and the diamond. So, and the different rendering models. So here, well, I have these 4 kind of shader object with the color by vertex, the flat texture, the light texture, and the constant color. And for the graphic objects, rendering graphic object. For rendering this object, I have these 5 for each models. Like the first is the constant color with the constant color shader objects, and set specific colors with 1 constant color, and second is wireframe. Use the color by vertex shader, and third is also the color by vertex, but not the wireframe. And the fourth is the flex texture, is the different texture. Use the black texture. And the last one is light texture. We'll use the light texture shader and set the light color and position. So the first one is constant color, and the second and third are the vertex by color, with the wireframe and the whole color. And the fourth is the texture, and the last one is the light texture. So I see the light on this project. And the sense graphics and the camera manager for, well, I didn't finish my camera manager, well, because I think to have camera manager, I have to send the data to the GPU when I use the graphic object and transfer the constant buffer with the camera manager, but I didn't figure it out. And also for the texture manager, I still have some problem with this. So for camera manager and texture manager, I didn't figure it out. And the mesh manager, shader manager, game mode manager, I already provide, and I use it to manage all. Here, the mesh node manager used it to manage the mesh model, add the different mesh model to the mesh model manager and shader object manager. And the texture manager, I didn't figure it out. And game object manager here also used to manage the game object. And these are all the graphic object for my tunnels. And I think that's it.